सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Ashnu Textile Mills Limited received an order on April 25, 2025 from the JT Excise and Taxation Commissioner, Appeal, Gurugram, Haryana, granting a refund of VAT amounting to 28 rupees and 29 paise lakh. This refund pertains to an appeal filed by the company for the financial year 2013 to 2014. The company had already accounted for this amount as a receivable in its books, and therefore, the refund will not significantly impact the balance sheet, except for realizing the old receivable. Railtel Corporation of India Limited has received a work order from the Institute of Road Transport for 90 crore 8,49,783 rupees, including tax. The order is for the design, development, supply, implementation, operations, and maintenance of an enterprise resource planning (ERP) system for MTC Limited Chennai, TNSTC Coimbatore, and TNSTC Madurai. The order is to be executed by October 18, 2026. SPC Exports Limited has received a work order worth 1,42,41,591 rupees from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology through Nexi for providing office support, project management support, and rollout services. The contract is for a period of 6 months and is for domestic execution. No promoters or group companies have any interest in the entity awarding the order, and the transaction is not considered a related party transaction. Jose Engineering Company Limited, in a joint venture with KC Energy and Infra Limited, has been awarded a contract by Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Limited. The contract, valued at 16 crore 99,089 rupees and 56 paise, involves the construction of 35 numbers 33 kV RDSS base along with 8 nodes, with 33 kV bus extension at various grid substations. The project will be executed within 10 months from the date of letter acceptance. Indian Overseas Bank has been penalized 63 rupees and 60 paise lakhs by the Reserve Bank of India for non-compliance with directions on agricultural loans and lending to MSMEs. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।